Hey everyone, it's Laurie from Wishuponaquilt. How are you today? Welcome to Friday, yay! So today, last week, I debuted my new fabric designs, Laurie Kent Designs, and today I have a special debut of something that I want to show you in a minute. First, I want to talk about my love of the sea, and they're all things coastal. As you can tell from the sweatshirt that I had made for myself, this is a sea turtle design. That's my design. I love the beach. I love the sea. A lot of my designs reflect that, as you'll see. I thought, you know what? I really want to design a baby quilt because I have a feeling that with all this COVID stuff going on, there's going to be a lot of babies being born, you know, next year, and so I thought I'd really like to design a baby quilt, and I'd really like to design one with a coastal theme. So I came up with several different fabric designs, and I put them together into a quilt pattern that I selected, and it also comes with a little stuffed animal. So I want to show you that to you now. I'm really excited about it. It's online, available now as a pre-order. It'll be available at the end of June. We have a local printer in the USA who's going to print the fabric, and it's going to be quilt kits. So here it is.
Drum roll.
Drum roll. I'm so very excited. You guys have supported me, and I appreciate that so much. My panels are selling like crazy. Thank you so much. This is the second phase. These are crib quilts. Woo! Anyway, yeah. So here it is.
Talk about it.
This is the crib quilt that I designed. If you come closer, Frank, these are the baby sea turtles. They're in a couple of different tones. There's a darker tone, and then I designed some sand dollars and some polka dots, and so then the sea turtles are lighter down here, so this is a different fabric because it's lighter. And then I designed a splatter pattern to pick up the green in the sea turtle. Some blenders, yes.
Beautiful.
And then what I did was I selected a fabric. The binding is in this grunge, which we have it in the store. It's a grunge fabric that I backed it with. Now the fabric quilt kit includes all the fabric to make the top of the quilt, including the binding. And it also includes the pattern, of course, so you know how to make it. And then it includes, I thought, you know what, why not make a little stuffed animal to go with it? Because it's a baby quilt kit. So here's my little turtle.
That is so sweet, people.
So it also includes the pattern that goes with it. So it'll all come together. You'll get it at the end of June when I get it from the printer. You can pre-order it now. It's online. It's called Baby Sea Turtle Quilt Kit. So thank you again. I had so much fun designing this. I love sea turtles. I love the beach. The sand dollars, the turtles, the polka dots kind of make a little bit of fun, you know. Anyway, so thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support of these fabric panels that I have for sale.
The Carolina State.
Oh yes, people are asking and people are ordering, and it's wonderful. So I designed this panel here. Now it's obviously not this small. This is a paper version. I printed it off my computer. But this is obviously North Carolina with the dogwood flower, which is our state flower, and the cardinal, which is our state bird. And so I printed this out on paper, but it's going to be larger. It's going to be...
Hello, Minnesota.
Yeah, it's just going to be about this size.
They're saying it's hard to hear you. Speak up.
Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, so that's one of the North Carolina panels. The other panel that I'm going to have for sale, that's for sale now actually, is the mama and the baby llama. Again, this is not the true size of it. The true size of it is much larger. You'll see on the website. And this one has been so popular. This is my blue heron.
This is gorgeous.
There's two different sizes of this panel. There's this size, and there's one that's a ½ yard size. And you'll see those are blue scallop shells, watercolor scallop shells that I kind of picked off to put around the border, which you can use or use for something else. So that's another panel, and that's been selling really well.
This
so
is like a
so
painting. If you guys look up close, this is like a painting in thread. It's gorgeous.
This is the other one that's been really popular.
Beautiful.
This is based on a Bible verse. It's one of my favorite verses in the Bible. I encourage you to look it up and read it. It's really a lovely, lovely verse. And what I did was I created some watercolor flowers. I painted them in watercolor. I brought them into Photoshop, and then I moved them around and made a pretty border, and voila. So I'm really happy with it. Everybody really loves it. The other two panels I have, this would be great in a baby's room. This here, You Are So Loved. Or it can be made as a pillow. It can be part of a tote bag. You see a little snail and a ladybug, and I had a lot of fun with that. And the other one is similar, but this one is for anybody, really. In a world where you can be anything, be kind.
It's beautiful.
So,
Very well
with
done.
all that's going on, I wanted to create something like that. The other thing that I have is for those who machine embroider, I have the Mama's Little Llama.
That's online.
It's online, which is a digital download. This is what it looks like.
And we put it on a bib too.
Yes. Now all these designs that I've created, you can't get anywhere else except for Wish Upon a Quilt. So that's what makes it all special.
And joining Thread of the Month.
And joining Thread of the Month. This one is not Thread of the Month. This is a digital download
Right.
that you can buy. It's
You can
online
buy
for
it.
sale. Okay, so we talked about Thread of the Month.
Right.
So let's
So
walk
he's
over
buying
here.
it. So let's walk over there.
Let's walk over here.
Now, remember, guys, Laurie gives me a design, and here's how it all started. It's so much fun because this is a Laurie Kent day, so I got to tell a story. What happened was I was talking to her way in January about, you know.
Let's go over there, though. Just the background. Let's just go over that.
Oh,
You're good.
So we were talking about the. It was so cool because I was telling her how other manufacturers of embroidery designs take designers of fabric, and if the fabric was really popular, they'll pull something out of that fabric. Well, then she said, well, why can't I just pull stuff and you digitize? And I thought, oh, okay. I said, all right. And then in about a week, there's this beautiful design that I digitized, which was a February design. If you saw the heart, which was exactly very sweet like these. And she used these very, very sweet little flowers, which was a challenge. So now I'm being challenged as a digitizer to take her artwork. So anyway, so that was how it started. And then we talked to Frank about it. Well, Frank, why can't we offer this in our Thread of the Month? And then we design, she curates the thread to go with those. And so that's been sort of a challenge for her too, because her designs have got to fit colors that we haven't used yet. And so it's been like one thing after another.
Yeah.
And so
with the next Thread of the Month, it's going to be shipped out on May 20th, this Thread of the Month, you get a free digital design download.
Right.
And it coordinates with the thread that I curate every month. And like I said, Costa digitizes it for me. I give him the Illustrator file and he digitizes it. We play around with it. We change the colors if we need to. This is really, really sweet.
This is so
Take
sweet.
a look at it.
This is coming up.
This is the Sandpiper.
It
So
is.
this you get free, and this design isn't available anywhere else. It's my own design that I designed for Wish Upon a Quilt for the Thread of the Month people. So when you're in Thread of the Month, you get a free digital design download, and this month's design, which will be shipping out on the 20th, and emailed the 20th, is this cute little Sandpiper. And I just think it came out really nice. You really did a nice job.
It's really beautiful.
And then look. Isn't this cute? This is a little jute bag with the Sandpiper on it.
And she chose the jute bag and said it would be really cool because of the naturalness. And so we had some issues because I saw our artwork, but I want y'all to see something. And Frank, this is so cool. I want you to see, when Laurie sends me a design, it looks like this, as you can see. And so it's in the colors that she wants, and that's what she's, put together. It's nothing but an art design. So then I put it in my artistic digitizer and add threads to it. Now, yes, these colors don't have anything to do with Laurie's colors, but the colors are considered a DST file so that it's a pure thread file. Then I take that and translate it into whatever design colors that she chooses through Glide. And then that's how it comes out. But this is what it looks like compared to what she gave me. So it's very, very cool.
So there's a lot of hard work and a lot of
Beautiful
creativity
designs.
and a lot of redos, but we want to make sure it comes out beautiful and that you love it. And like I said, you can't get it anywhere else except Wish Upon a Quilt, and you have to be part of our Thread of the Month Club members to get the free design.
And you can join anytime. Is that correct?
That is
Frank?
correct.
Yeah,
And we
so-
can join Thread of the Month
So let me
anytime.
bring you over, if you haven't heard of Thread of the Month, let me bring you over and show you over here, Frank.
Right. Some of our designs.
You will get 5 curated threads, 5 curated glide threads. You'll get this cute organza bag. It's $24.99 a month. It's free shipping, and the threads are not repeated. So in your bag, the thread that you get goes with the free design. So you can immediately use your threads, and you don't have to think, oh, you know, I'm never going to use this green, or I'm never going to use this tan. It's used in the design.
And we
Make
do the
several of them.
designs in all machine formats, which
This-
would be for your PEZ, your
Yes, all
VP3,
designs.
your VIP, your
Yes.
and of course Jeff, of course.
Right.
And I always include a DST file just in case I've forgotten, because DST is the purest form and will be able to be used in all machines.
Right. So as an example, this was February's design.
Right.
This was my very first design.
one.
I was collecting the threads, and I thought, why not create a design to go with it? So this was February's. This was March. So these are all the colors in the thread for March, and this was the design.
Beautiful.
This was April. I did an Easter bunny, a watercolor Easter bunny. and
I
this was
love
the
that Easter
design.
bunny.
And then for May, with all of this craziness going on, I created this one.
And in your design for this, you would end up with the mug rug. I made the mug rug on my own just to give an extra project, using it in the best way you could, but you also will get the design for free.
Right. Oh, so anyway, so yeah, so I just think this just came out really well. This
It's
really kind of embodies everything that it's about what I like to design, anything coastal.
Beautiful.
I think these are just, you did a
Somebody
great
asked what
job
size
with
spool on the thread.
digitizing it.
The thread is 1,000 meter thread, so it's
Glide.
just the normal. But we do by special order if there's a special color that you need the 5,000 meter of glide. That can be ordered from us. But we usually just do the 1,000 meter, and that's they're the regular thread. They are polyester thread, so they're 40 weight, but are excellent.
You want to grab one?
Glide is an
Yeah.
excellent thread,
Yeah,
guys,
let's go over
to
here.
use with long arming. It's just a
And look at all
strong,
the colors we have.
strong thread. So, and I know that Laurie and Frank are looking at they've created about 60 more colors, and we're looking at purchasing the
More
complete
colors.
line of glide.
Yeah.
And also, I know so many of you have been asking me about, and I'm sorry, this is what they look like, have been asking me about those cards, so y'all can mark off what colors you're getting the month. We're still waiting that from Glide, because Glide is making them as they go. You know, so you want all the colors on there. So we're gonna see about that.
Yeah.
But anyway,
So I just wanted to thank you for your support and your love. It's meant the world to me. My dream has come true. I've been designing now for several years, and I just can't thank you enough for your love and support. So, told you about the panels. They're all pre-orders. You can order them online through wishuponaquilt.com. And then the thread of the month, and then the baby crib quilt, which I'll show again for those who are joining us later. This is the
Beautiful.
baby sea turtle quilt kit that I designed. And oops, it's upside down. Well, I guess it really doesn't matter how you do it. It could be either way. But there it is.
and also this was quilted and put together by Paula Hoffman.
Yeah, so thank you, Paula. You did
That's
a
right.
really
Thank you. Good call.
wonderful
I
job.
forgot to tell.
Yeah,
I-
she really did a great job, and she did the stuffed animal, and I made the pattern for the stuffed animal, and I said, Paula, I've never done a pattern for a turtle before, let me know how it goes, and I think it came out really cute.
It did really cute.
Yeah, it really
It's a
cute.
great pin cushion.
Yeah. Yeah, pin cushion, yeah.
And there's the panel too.
And this,
Yeah, well, that's
and
a
this
large
is the
size.
large one, correct, Laurie?
Well, no, that's just a sample.
Oh, okay.
The second size is a little bit smaller than
Oh,
that.
I see.
It's all online. The
Frank,
dimensions
take
are
a look
online.
at these ladies here. I think this is brilliant. I don't know, there's something about that. And she's taken an older, vintage artwork, and then she's recolored it, and it's just gorgeous. We had this hanging at the register several months ago, and people went nuts for it. So I hope that you guys will look at that. I think it's I love vintage, so I think it's beautiful.
I'm in the process of kind of working
Beautiful
on that and seeing how it
artwork.
goes.
Beautiful
All right,
artwork.
so that's kind of wrapping up the Laurie Kent designs. We talked about the panels. We talked about the Mama's Little Llama digital download, and we talked about Thread of the Month, and we talked about Baby Sea Turtle. So thank you for joining us today. I appreciate your love and support. Stay connected, stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you again.
And we want to talk one last thing, and I'm going to help Laurie talk about it. I was on a webinar last night with Kim Christopherson as an educator of Kimberbell, and these owners have allowed me to do all that. But this is a beautiful new thing coming out. You're going to hear about it. We want you to be ready for it. Starting May 22nd, I'll have the first download for just to show you. It will not start till August. It's called Love Notes. It is a 5-week program, and it is going to be, this is the box you'll get through us, and it's the fabric to a 5-week quilt. A quilt that will be about 40 by 40, sort of like if those my Kimberbellites who made the Whisk Upon a Christmas. Or I whisk you a Merry Christmas.
We'll wish you a Merry Christmas, yes?
I whisk you a Merry Christmas. I haven't gotten that right yet. I whisk you a Merry Christmas. It's 40 by 40. You will have a 5-week program. How it's going to work, we just need you to sign up, start looking. We will be online soon. We just got the announcement that we can even do it less than 18 hours ago. At 9 o'clock last night, I ended with that webinar. It's called Love Notes. We want you to go with us because I will be helping you along being a certified Kimberbell teacher. This is Love Notes, and it is just so much fun. It will go it will go through the month of August, basically, all 4 or 5 weeks. It's a 5-week program, sort of like our mystery. It is a mystery. I don't know anything about it. I don't know. You will have it for embroiderers and for sewers. You know how Kim Christopherson loves that. It is gorgeous. There will be a glide thread kit for it. I understand she's even going to choose your floss for my sewers. So it's going to be amazing. It is beautiful. I've only been told it's going to be Love Notes, and it is a total surprise. I know nothing. So, but it is worth it. So please join with us. We have no prices yet because it's so new. So
we will soon.
And Laurie's going to be with us also. I want to say real quick again, please, thank you so much because these two work 24/7. Last night, you know, I was on the phone with Frank 4 times again. So,
I'm changing my number.
Yeah.
That's right. And now he's saying he's pulled me a number. But anyway, I was on the phone with Laurie 24/7 also about her designs. Her work is gorgeous. I've never worked with such a thing. Please patronize us in that way. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. And we want to say this, stay safe, stay connected, tell someone you love them, and make something beautiful with your Janome today. And if you don't have a Janome, Frank and I will find the way to show you.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.